Hello guys, welcome back with the fourth and last puzzle, a tectonic one with 4 stars. Yes, and this puzzle will be number 2361. All right. Tectonic with 4 stars. If it's really 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. We will see. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. I think this one is a hard one, so let me check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12 printed digits. Could be a hard one because tectonics with 12 printed digits, I need 30 minutes or more. We will see. All right, so let's get started. And the first question is, can we see here the single box? I see 2 single boxes. Single box is always a 1. Here 1 or there 1. That means these 3 boxes surround the 1 cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be there. Triple box we have here. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 3. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Alright. We have here a L constriction, and I've told you earlier, if it's a quadrat box, then this box should be always a 5, because I cannot place a 1, 2, 3, or 4. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1, 2, 3, or 4 in one of those 4 boxes. So this should be a 5. Okay, 2 boxes left, the 1 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Triple box. 1 digit left should be the 2. That means these 3 boxes surrounded 2 cannot be a 2, so the 2 could be here or there. We see there 2, so no 2 there. 2 should be here. These 3 boxes surrounded 2 cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be here. Then this box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 3 and the 4. 3 and the 4. Okay. These 3 boxes surround a 3 cannot be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. Again, a quadrat box with L construction. This box is always a 5. Okay, these 3 boxes surround the 1. Cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 3. That box cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 boxes left. The 4 and the 5. 4 and the 5. Alright. Okay. 3, 3. Yeah. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. So the 1 and the 2 goes in these 2 boxes as a pair. So the other pair in this area should be the 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Alright. 1, 3, 4, 1, 3, 4. Yeah. These two boxes cannot be a 1. Those two boxes cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. And I've eliminated the 3, so the 3 goes there. And that means these 3 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright. Alright, this box has the same number as that box. Okay. Remind this. 1, 3. No. Okay. 2, 2. This box cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means that this box, we have a double 2 there, cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. This box cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. In this box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. Those 2 boxes surround the 3 cannot be a 3. So 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 4. The 2 and the 4. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 2 and the 4. Yeah. 2, 2. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. That box cannot be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be here. 3, 4, 5, 5. Alright. Look. These 2 boxes cannot be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means we have a double 1 here. This box cannot be a 1. Otherwise, I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So this should be a 2. And this should be a 1. These 2 boxes cannot be a 2. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 2. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Alright. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 3, 4. 2. No. 1, 2, 3. This box should be also 4 or 5. It cannot be 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 3. Yes. Also 4 or 5. So the 2 should be in one of those 2 boxes. the 2. That means that this box cannot be a 2, otherwise I cannot fill any 2 in one of those 2 boxes. So this is not the solution, the 2 should be here. Alright. So 2 numbers left, 1, 2, 3, the 4 and the 5, the 4 and the 5. Let me mark those, 4 and the 5. This box cannot be a 1, that box cannot be a 1, and this box cannot be a 1. I have a double 1 here. So the 1 could be here, could be there. 3. Yeah. 1. This should be also 4 or 5. Yeah. 5, 5. 1, 2, 3. This box should be also 4 or 5. Because it cannot be 1, cannot be 2, cannot be 3. Yes. 4 or 5. This box cannot be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 1 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 1. Otherwise I cannot fill any 1 in one of those 2 boxes. That box cannot be a 1. And this box cannot be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box cannot be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that this box cannot be a 3. Otherwise I cannot fill any 3 in one of those 2 boxes. So the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. 3, 1, 3, 1. Well, we have a 3 here, so this cannot be a 3 anymore. This should be a 1, and this should be a 3. So this should be the 4 and a 5. Alright. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. This box cannot be a 5, so 1 box left for the 5 should be here. 1, 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this box cannot be 1 anymore. This box should be the 1. Okay, we have here in this quarter box 1, 2, so this should be 3 and a 4. We have a 3 here, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. And now we have a 4 and a 5 left, 4 and a 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 4. Now we have a 5 here, so this cannot be 5 anymore. This should be the 5. And this should be a 4. Those 2 boxes cannot be a 4, so 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. And this should be a 5. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 4. And this should be a 2. 2 boxes left, the 2 and a 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. 1 box left in this area for the number 4. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be 4 anymore. This should be 4. And this should be a 3. Now we have a 3 here, so this box cannot be 3 anymore. This box should be a 3. And I've eliminated the 1. So the 1 goes here. This box should be a 4 because it cannot be a 1, cannot be a 2, cannot be a 3, should be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 4. 2 boxes left, the 2 and a 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And the 2 goes there. And I've told you earlier, this box is connected with that box, so this should be also a 5. These two boxes cannot be a 2, so one box left for the 2 should be here. 2 boxes left in this quarter box, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there, 4 should be here. And a 3 goes there. This box should be a 2, because it cannot be a 1. Should be a 2, cannot be a 3, cannot be a 4, cannot be a 5. Yes, definitely a 2. This box cannot be a 3, so the 3 goes together with the 1 as a pair. So this box should be a 4. Alright. These two boxes cannot be a 5, so the 5 could be here, could be there. Those two boxes cannot be a 2. This box cannot be a 2, so one box left for the 2 should be here. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 2 boxes left, the 3 and the 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 3 goes there. This was a 4, yes. 3 and a 1 are left. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright. Great. Tectonic, I like this one. Is it really a 4 stars? I don't think so. Maybe a 2 stars. Tectonic. But I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe and hit the bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload the new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great weekend. See you on Monday. Bye bye.